Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class maths, the new chapter, that is probability. What is probability? Probability is the measure of uncertainty. Uncertainty means what? May happen or may not happen, means the event, it is called event. Event is mentioned as event. The event may occur or may happen or may not happen. For example, suppose you are throwing a, you are tossing a coin. Suppose you are tossing a coin, you are lifting it like this. That the toss, maybe the coin will have head or tail, so it may get head or a tail. So you don't know whether it happens, whether you get head or whether you don't get head. So this is called as tossing. This is called as uncertainty. So probability is the measure of uncertainty. It is a chance of occurrence of an event. Probability tells you that some event will occur. That's all. So whereas terminologies in it is first experiment. It is an action whose result are noted. Some action will be made and its result are noted. Like example, tossing a coin. When a coin is tossed, whether head has come or tail, that will be noted. That is called an experiment. Random experiment. An experiment in which specific outcomes cannot be predicted means you cannot expect some solution. It will occur as it is occur. You have to take it. So when you are tossing, once again the same example, when you are tossing a coin, you may get head or you may get a tail. So you cannot predict that I'll get head only or I'll get a tail only. So that kind of experiments are random experiments. Example, the same thing in tossing a coin. We cannot predict the outcome as head or tail until tossing is done. After tossing is done, you will come to know whether it is head or tail. Next, outcome. The result obtained from a performed experiment, that is called outcome. See, when you are rolling a die, after rolling, when it stops, which number it stops, that is the outcome of that. So the result obtained from a performed experiment is called outcome. Favorable outcomes. The outcomes that are needed as a solution for an experiment means in the problem they will give you that how many even numbers have occurred when a die is thrown. The die is thrown. How many even numbers are? How many times number six has appeared, or how many times even numbers have occurred? So that kind of question will be asked. So in that, so those are called favorable outcomes. You need to calculate what is asked in the problem. So the outcome that are needed as a solutions from an experiment. Example: getting an even number when a die is thrown. How many times even number has come? This all according to the problem we are going to solve it. Next, sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment. All possible outcomes. Example, see, when a die is thrown, what is its sample space means what is the possibility of getting the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is kept in the bracket like sets. So this is called as sample space. Please note it down. Some more terminologies I'll write. The next terminology is sure or certain event. As the name indicates, the event which is sure to happen is called sure. Definitely it will happen. Example, when a coin is tossed, it is sure to get head or tail. We can very well say which we are getting, we may not say, but it is definite that either we will get head or tail. That is called sure event. And impossible event. What is that? An event which is not possible to occur. It will not occur. That is called impossible event. Example, getting a number 7 when a die is thrown. We know that in a die we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers only. 7 number is not there at all. So it is impossible. We don't get. So the event is called impossible event. Next, equally likely event. Equally likely event means what? Two or more events have equal chances of occurring. Means anyone can occur. How many number of times we cannot say, both of them will be having same chances. Example is getting a red or yellow ball from a bag of 5 red balls and 5 yellow balls. So suppose there is a bag which contains 5 red balls and 5 yellow balls. When a person is removing one from that, so is he going to get red ball or he is going to get yellow ball? It can be it is equal, they have equal chances. They may get red or yellow ball. The chances are equal because both of them are having equal in number. Then the formula of probability is, probability of an event P of E is number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. That means what is asked in the problem by what is the total sample space elements, that is called this is the formula which we are going to use hereafter in the problems. Probability of an event always lie between 0 and 1. So probability of an event is greater than equal to 0 or lesser than 1. Okay, lesser than equal to 1. And complementary event is called PE dash. PE represents, P of E represents possibility of an event. An event will occur. P of E dash represents not possibility of an event to occur. So they are complementary to each other. Always P of E plus P of E dash is equal to 1. So these are the other terminologies, children. Please note it down. Now do this, some children. Outcomes of which of the following are equally likely? Getting a digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 when a dice is rolled. When a dice is rolled, any one number out of this, is it an equally likely? Definitely, because these are all same number of times they occur upon the dice. So it is definitely equally likely event. Selecting a different coin from a ball of from a ball, color ball from a bag of 5 red balls, 4 blue balls, 1 black ball. So the colored balls are not even in number, are not equal in number. 1 5 red balls 5, 4 blue balls, 1 black ball. So since the number is not equal, it is not equally likely event. Winning a game of caroms, of course, it is equally likely event. Means there is a chance of winning or there is a chance of losing. So it's equally likely event. Units place of two-digit number selected from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So units place a digit, no number is repeating, so definitely it is equally likely event. Next, selecting a different color ball from a bag of 10 red balls, 10 blue balls, 10 black balls. See the difference between these two sums. Here 5, 4, 1 different numbers are there, but here all are 10. So definitely it is equally likely event. Raining on a particular day of July, that is also equally likely event. Next, as B bit, are the outcomes of every experiment equally likely? We don't know. We cannot say no. We say no. Why? Because all the outcomes are not equally likely. Here itself, we have got the examples where some are equally likely, some are not equally likely. So every experiment will not have equally likely events. So B bit you copy, children. C bit I'll do in the next part because here there is no space for me to do it. With this, I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.